Hey Mike, what are you working on today?
We got a noise complaint coming. Kind of sounds like a wheel bearing from the rear. So we're gonna basically put this in a dyno mode, and then I'm gonna drive it up in a lift and see what I can hear.
So what exactly is dyno mode?
What is dyno mode? So basically what dyno mode is allows us to diagnose the vehicle on the lift. It disables the ABS and traction control, so we can spin the tires and it doesn't set off any lights. All right, I don't know if you guys can hear this, but this rear differential is screaming. So you can see we have it running. What we'll do is we'll lower this down and we'll check the fluid in this diff, but it is screaming. So now what we'll do is we'll catch some fluid and see what it looks like. Ooh. So just based off looking at the fluid, it looks like possibly that the rear differential has never been serviced.